Good morning, Savannah Oaks. Today is Thursday, April 9th. Today is a B day. Think about it Thursday. So I'll give you some time to figure this out. What are the next three letters in the following sequence? I'll give you a hint. We are currently right here in the A. S-O-N are the next letters in the sequence. So the sequence is the first letter of the months of the year. September, October, and November are next in the sequence. So my hint to you was that we are right here in the A, which is April. Your digital instruction tip of the day is to make a list of what you need to get done and cross items off as you complete them. So you can do this with paper and pencil. You can do this with something like Google Keep, which is digital. Whatever works best for you, but it's a great way to just kind of organize yourself and have an idea of what you need to do and what you've gotten done already. We do not have school tomorrow, Friday, April 10th. School will resume on Monday, April 13th. Have a great day, everyone.